In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Elementor. A table of contents helps visitors jump straight to the sections they care about, and it also encourages you to structure your content with clear headings. We'll keep this simple and reliable using a plugin that works nicely alongside Elementor. Start by signing in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, open Plugins and choose Add New. In the search bar, type the name of one plugin you want to use. You only need one. Great options include Easy Table of Contents, Lucky WP Table of Contents, or an Elementor add-on pack such as Essential Add-ons or Unlimited Elements. When you find the one you prefer, click Install Now, then Activate. That's it for the installation. Next, head to the plugin's settings. Depending on the one you chose, you'll find its settings either under the main settings menu or as its own item in the sidebar. Once you're in, look for the option to automatically insert a table of contents. Turn on Auto Insert so the table of contents appears without you having to manually add it each time. You'll typically see checkboxes for where it should appear, such as posts and pages. Enable the locations that make sense for your site. If you publish most of your long-form content as posts, enable it there. If you build longer landing pages in Elementor, enable it for pages as well. Now choose which headings to include. Most sites use H2 for main sections and H3 for subsections, so selecting H2 and H3 is a solid default. Many people skip H1 because it's usually reserved for the page or post title, but you can adjust this to fit your content style. The key is to keep your heading hierarchy consistent in Elementor. Use the heading widget with the proper tags selected, so the plugin can detect and list them correctly. Before you leave, save your settings. From now on, whenever a post or page contains the heading levels you selected, the table of contents will be generated automatically. It typically appears near the top of your content, and it links directly to each section. If you don't see it right away, double-check that your headings are actually set to H2 or H3, not just styled to look big, and confirm that auto-insert is enabled for that content type. That's all it takes. With the plugin installed, auto-insert turned on, your preferred headings chosen, and your settings saved, your Elementor pages and posts will be easier to navigate and more reader-friendly.